Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for taking me and PFT Laboratory to give us time to present our final report. First of all, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Abdullah Nadif, and my other teammates,
Kemudian Saleh,
and the only one girl.
Nanda Sagita.
Okay, enough for introduction, so we can start to talk about TechMe. And now for TechMe, I will explain it. Or I will explain TechMe starting from the company's vision and mission until feasibility analysis. Our company name is FunCo. This about our company name. We have tagline, vision, and mission, and address our company. This is our company organizational structure. We have CEO for this company. We have specialized human resource development, specialist finance staff, production manager, marketing and sales manager, operator production, and staff marketing and sales. We produce educational toys that we call World of Animal, and this is our product description. This is our company STP analysis. We will look at segmentation, targeting, and positioning to identify most valuable market segment, and then sell to them successfully with carefully target product and marketing. This is our marketing mix. We have price, product, promotion, and place. For marketing strategies and plans, we choose Instagram ads and brochure to offer our product with total cost ₹2,900,000. Next step, we estimate marketing costs. We assume each year with 2% increase until 2025. This is our production plan with demand forecasting. After demand analysis, we get estimate demand in 2021 was 4,181, and the following year with estimate increase of demand 0.1%. With data from demand, we can set the production volume. Next step, we make human resource plan for the next 5 years. Supply resource need before recruitment in 2021 and 2022 is 17. In 2023, we need 18, and forecasting after recruitment in 2024 and 2025 is 22. This is our direct labor cost planning in 5 years based on human resource plan. Next, we calculate the executive planning in 5 years. We can see in this table. Now, we calculate indirect cost planning in 5 years. We can see the total in the table. Next step, we estimate investment cost. Total fixed investment include machine and facility, tools, transportation, and general administration. This is our depreciation cost from 2021 until 2025. After that, we calculate production and operational costs for 5 years, include total direct costs, total overhead costs, total production costs, and total operational costs. After we finish the step before, we can know the total project cost and can calculate source of funds. We have two sources of funds. They are owner equity and banks loan. This is our profit loss or income statement. Next, we create the cash flow to know the final cash balance. Based on the net present value and payback period calculation, the NPV of 2025 nominal is more than 0. So it can be said that business is feasible. Based on the calculation of the payback period, our company will get a payback from the capital spent for 4.7 years. With an IRR of 11.9%, this business can be said to be feasible. Because a business can be said to be feasible to run if the IRR is bigger than MARR. Our company has a BCR of 1.2 in conducting this business, which means that if a company runs a business with BCR more than 1, then the business can be said to be feasible. Okay, maybe for the PFT, my friend will explain it.
Hi, I'm Fabian. I will explain how we search place to build our plan until we design the layout of the facility that we build. First, we have to search alternative sites for our future facilities. They are in Bandung City, Bandung District, and Cimahi City. To facilitate our need for production, we need 3 suppliers to provide our company needs. They are Arpedia, PK Bintang Labuan, and BJ Home Supermarket Bangunan. Then we measure distance between alternative and all suppliers. After that, we select the location with factor rating method. First step is identifying the relevant factors for site selection process. The second step is identifying weight rate for each factors for site selection process. Total of all factors will be 1. Then, we are determining scale for factors. The fourth step, we are determining score for each factors in every alternative. They are quantitative and qualitative. For quantitative, we have to do normalization. The last step is determining the multiplication weight rate with each factor score. We can see that Bandung City has the highest score with the total 77.5992622. Before we enter routing sheet, we have to decide the demand, also the working hours. This is the result of routing sheet. We can see that the total actual machine required is 14 units and the amount of prepared production unit per day is 23. Before we calculate the maximum stacking, we have to input some data. There are the dimension of required MHE and size of all materials in process. This is the result calculation of data before the maximum stacking. There are several data to get optimum time to deliver material from one place to another place. Based on amount of prepared production per day, the factor that will be chosen for unit load is 1 and 23. There are also net processing time and precedence diagram. Total of MHE that will be used is 1. With only one MHE and 2 possibility factors, we can see that factor 1 have less time production than factor 23. So we choose factor 1 with total of time 474. The Gantt chart below is for factor 1. Next. This table shows us the frequency of delivery time for every process. To get the total array of our facility, we have to complete data that we need. After we get all data, we can see the total of our facilities is 425 meters square. This is the dimension of the office. Total area for office is 66 meters square. And then this is the initial layout for our facilities. Okay, Nanda will replace me to explain PFT.
Hi, I'm Nanda. Now it's my turn to explain how to create a layout from existing data. This is the step to make FTC. First, we have to prepare the centroid of facility and rectilinear distance. We also do the calculation for material handling equipment cost. So, total of material handling equipment cost is known as below. And this is from the chart. We can see the total must be as shown as in the screen. To search initial layout after activity relationship chart, we have to decide how the relationship between all facilities using relevance motif table, and then we combine the result. After we know the relationship between all facility, we can make an activity relationship chart. They connect each other with different colors based on the relevance. And then we can make the UFD. The UFD creation is based from the chart table. The data that we got before, we have to do the normalization. And then we make a worksheet from normalization table before. After we make a worksheet, we can make an AAD. Worksheet will be guide how we have to look at the facility. Which facility must close to each other or which facilities have to far from the others. The result of AAD will be layout of our facility. We also have decided to coordinate and fix or not the location is. It can be moved or not. Then we repeat the same step above to know the relationship between facility for additional facility. We also make an ARC and the normalization. Then we make a worksheet and AAD. After that, we make a combination layout of production floor and additional facility. Then we repeat again to know the relationship between all facilities in office, using relevance motif table and also combine the result. And then we make an ARC and do normalization again. After that, we make a worksheet. Based on the worksheet, we can make an AAD. And then this is the final layout in office. Lastly, this is the final layout of our facilities. This layout is based on the calculation of WinKSB, which one has the lowest cost or the shortest distance. And this is a little bit preview of our final layout in SketchUp. That's all about our presentation. Thank you.